In this video, we will be learning how to merge duplicate customer master records. The Merge Duplicate Customer Master Records process will move vehicles, including repair order and counter ticket history, deals, and AR and AP records from the duplicate customer records to the record you highlight as the one to keep. Note: in order to merge duplicate customer master records, you must have the Merge Duplicates access point in your user security profile. To begin, click on the Customer Master icon in the button row. This will open the Customer Master window. Click Find at the top of the window. Type the last name of the customer record you are searching for in the last name field. In this example, we're going to type the name Birdsell. Click OK to conduct your search. Your search results will appear in the bottom half of the window. Highlight the duplicate records by clicking and dragging, then click Merge Duplicates on the right side of the window. This brings up the Choose Sources window. Single-click to highlight the record you wish to keep. The customer information associated with this record will display in the highlighted customer column. The remaining columns, beginning with the Customer To column, display the duplicate customer information that is different than the highlighted customer information. Click the radio buttons next to any data you wish to merge into the highlighted customer record. If you do not select any radio buttons, the merge process will keep only the data that is displayed in the highlighted customer column. Click Merge in the top right corner of the window when you have completed your selections. If you decide you don't want to merge these records after all, click Cancel to terminate the merge process. Note: if you wish to merge all of your duplicate records, you can click Load Suspected Duplicates on the right side of the window, and the system will display all suspected duplicate customer master records. You are then able to follow the process outlined in this video to merge the duplicate records. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to merge duplicate customer master records.